Let me share with you this quick recipe: Ghana bofrot or Nigeria puff puff. It was so easy to follow, but very perfect and absolutely very detailed video. So please just spare me some time and let's share this together. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. Let's crash this. So I have with me here my half cup of milk. I'm adding extra half cup of milk, making 1 cup. So today we are making this very detailed. Okay, now this is the cup I use. Someone suggested I show the cup I always use, so this is the cup. Now the milk is not warm, okay? It was in the fridge, so we are just going to put this in the microwave it 30 seconds, and after that I will be with you. We are doing all this because we are going to use dry active yeast in today's video. Now you dip your hand in the milk and you count some few seconds. If it is not very hot, then, or it does not burn you, then you know you are at the right place or at the right part. Okay, so this is the active yeast we are using. You can use instant yeast, and if you use the instant yeast, you are not supposed to do all what we are going through now, but I will share with you how you are supposed to do it. Okay, yes. Now that we are done microwaving our milk for 30 seconds, we are just going to bring it out, dip our finger in it, and then check if it is going to burn us. If it burns us, then it means it is very hot, and that means if you add your yeast, the yeast is not going to work. You are going to kill the yeast. Okay, so it should be warm, not hot. Okay, now we dip our hand in it for some few seconds and nothing happened, so we are good to go. Now we are going to add our 1 tablespoon of yeast. Okay, with this recipe we are going to use banana, so we don't need a lot of sugar. Okay, so we will add a teaspoon of sugar as well, and then when we are done, we are going to mix it very well. After mixing it, I'll show you what we are going to do. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted. Okay, I'm so happy you always spend some time with me here. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. And please, if you are new here, please do not make it the last time of visiting. You will love it here. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is totally free. Now we are going to place this in the warm place for about 7 to 10 minutes, and as you can see, the yeast is active. When it is active, you will see some bubbles like this, and if it is not active, you are not going to see anything. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. That is how I measured the flour. Okay, you will see it again. So to add that, we will be using the instant yeast. At this moment, when you have all your ingredients in the bowl, you just add the yeast to it directly, but you make sure it is not close to your salt. Okay, so you can actually pour the yeast somewhere and then pour your salt somewhere, or you mix it with the salt first before you add the yeast. I hope you understand. Now we are going to add 1 banana, and I am not going to blend it. I'm just going to mash it with my fork. Okay, because I want the chunkiness in it, and I don't want it smooth in the puff puff. Now I will add that to the ingredients. I added a pinch of salt. We are going to mix this very well, and after mixing it, I will share with you what next we are going to do. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. Please, can you like this video for me, and please share this video to others so that our family will expand. Okay, now that we are done mixing everything, we are just going to place it in a warm place for 40 to 1 hour. So I thought I was recording, not knowing I wasn't recording. Okay, but I was able to get some of the video from the short video. Okay, now this is on your left was when we brought it out. Okay, it's increased in size, and then after that we dip our hand in it, bring out the air, and this is how we are dropping this in the oil. Please make sure the oil is not very hot, and then it shouldn't be very low as well. Okay, it should be on a medium heat. When you are doing this on your coal pot, the fire shouldn't be too much. Don't add a lot of charcoal in your coal pot, okay, so that it will not burn. As you can see, they are very light, so they are even flipping or turning by themselves. Okay, and that shows that we are going to get that perfect bofrot or puff puff. Your bofrot or puff puff are not supposed to be sinking, but they are supposed to be floating. Okay, floating. That is just by the way. Now we will turn it till we get that beautiful brown color, and then we will remove this from the oil just like this. I'm just going to put this on my paper towel, and then we can bring some of the oil out, and I will open one for you to see how beautiful the inside is and how soft, chewy it is, and the outside was so crunchy. You can see the banana chunks in there. It looks so delicious and so palatable. Okay, when you turn the skin, okay, or the outer part, you can see those lines, the banana lines there, and this was very crispy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye bye.